Take a square chart paper, fold it into triangle and then unfold it. Join the bottom corner to the middle crease. Fold the left and the right corners forming a triangle like this. Make sure that the creases are perfect. Unfold it and fold through the middle crease. Fold the left and the right edges. Now fold the tip forming a triangle as shown below. Bring the upper triangle down and tuck it in. So this is how our envelope looks like. You can decorate it as you want.